Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So if you are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So when you take a look at this Nasdaq gold right for the day, we actually did analysis on this gold on our weekly time frame, right? So you can go back to confirm where I told you guys that this week will continue to have that bullish move. And guess what? That we would want to see this ice, which is a new eye. This ice here needs to be broken. This ice you can see here, would want to see this price. The gold gave us a bullish move that we break above this ice, and we actually had that bullish move today, which is on the 13th. You can see that this gold actually gave us that good massive bullish move. The bullish move we are all expecting to be made, thereby that bullish move needs to break this ice. So now we've gotten it. So we want to know where this price will be moving for the next, which is for the 14th. Now note that this analysis we will be based on the technical aspects only, because there would be a news that will be released the next day, which will actually affect the movement of this price. But the thing is that there's no much information on that news that will be released the next day. So it will kind of like be a bit difficult to actually predict the move, the move, right? So we want to predict it based on the technical aspect. So when you want to take this trade, the first thing you will ask yourself is that what is this trend for this movement? I clearly can see that this is an uptrend move, right? You are seeing an higher highs and an higher lows. So you see this as an higher highs, higher lows, or a pullback, higher highs and higher lows, or a pullback. You can take this as a new highs. You would consider this as a pullback, right? New highs have been made. You see that this highs actually broke this previous highs. And here comes the pullback, right? And guess what we've gotten again? A new highs. Now notice that this new highs have broken this previous highs. So that is to tell you that this gold itself is still on a bullish move. So the next day, on the technical aspect on it, you would want to still see this price give us more a bullish move before we kind of see a pullback. So that is to tell you that this gold we still want to see that bullish move to a level of 1835. I told you guys on the weekly time frame on it, weekly aspect, that we would want to see this gold actually hit a level of 1835. But for today, we actually hit a level of 1820, right? So actually got to a level of 1820, right? Which actually even broke above it. So we are about 15 let's say movements for it to actually hit our targeted level. But since this price has not gotten to our targeted level, so the next day we still want to see this gold open and close bullish and possibly hit our target level or gets close to it. So this gold itself is still a bullish move. Secondly, you will see that this price is still trading above our moving average. As long as this price or movement is still trading above this moving average, then there's only one movement you should watch out for, which is to actually go long, which is a bullish move. As long as this price is still trading above our moving average, then clearly this is still a bullish move. This is still an uptrend move, and that is what I want you all to see it as. So price is still on a bullish move, still trading above our moving average. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So you can still see it also. 4-hour time frame price is trading above our 10 period moving average. So that is to tell you that this is clearly a bullish move. So that is still to tell you that gold is still on a bullish move. So you can take a look at this 4-hour time frame here. You can see an higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So you can take this as a pullback, and there we've gotten a new highs, right? So let's see if a pullback let's expect this pullback to be over, because we're having a pullback as at now. So once this pullback is over, you would expect a bullish move. So that is to tell you that for the next day, which is 14, we'll still want to see this gold actually give us a bullish move, possibly open and close bullish, or possibly we should have seen that movement on the New Year section, which I think would happen. There might not be much movement on the London section, but there should be much movement in the New York section. So that New York section should kind of give us like a bullish move on gold. So thereby USD would be dropping against our gold. Now let's take a look at this 1-hour time frame. We can still see the 1-hour time frame. See price trading above this 10 period moving average. So on the 1-hour time frame, our price is still trading above this moving average. So this is clearly or still a bullish move, and we should continue to see the movement like that. So gold rights for the next day, we still expect a bullish move to be made.